So this week marks the 33rd Annual Elementary Halton Skills Competition. We're thrilled to welcome over 1,100 students from 55 schools. It's our biggest competition yet. Because of the incredible interest and growing enthusiasm this year, we've expanded over 2 days, giving even more students the opportunity to showcase their talents in skilled trades and technologies. We have students competing in 14 different competitions, from robotics and animation to construction, mechanical engineering, TV video production. Competition directly aligns with our multi-year plan, supporting student achievement by providing hands-on experiential learning that builds confidence and real-world skills for our students. It's also a space where we foster a culture of respect and kindness, where students support one another, they celebrate each other's successes. It's about fostering curiosity, innovation, and teamwork. We hope the event sparks a passion for the skilled trades and technologies and helps students see what endless possibilities are ahead of them.